Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick unboxing, setup, and review of the Ousheng 6-foot spiral Christmas tree. This is an indoor-outdoor metal Christmas tree. It's pre-lit, it's got a bunch of colors, it looks really cool. There's a link in the description where you can find it. Be sure and like and subscribe. Let's get to the video, let's check it out. Alright, so once again, this is an indoor-outdoor Christmas tree. It's running $89.99 on Amazon, so be sure and check that out. This is what's called a spiral Christmas tree. Little stand, legs, little star, remote, and there's your plug. Okay, that is everything that comes in the box right there unpackaged. Okay, the instructions aren't exactly the best, but I think we can probably figure this out. Okay, so you take your shaft pieces, put them together, get those all assembled. Got our base, put it down here on the table, put your shaft into your base. Now the hand screws they give you, that's to steady your base so it won't wobble. Get those snugged up a little bit. Now the lights are already attached to the tree and it just opens right up. So you just want to set it over the top of the shaft. Maybe a little more graceful than I did. Put your little star on top. And then it's got little bungee clips on the bottom where you can clip it down to the actual stand, which is really nice. Holds it in place. Alright, so that's really all there is to the setup process of this Christmas tree. Other than maybe stake it out on the lawn, there are some stakes that come with it. And then you've got this awesome little remote control that comes with it. You've got all sorts of these cool LED options, patterns, different light functions, and everything else. Let's plug it in. Let's check it out. Oh, look at this. Let me dim some of these lights for you a little bit here. See that a little bit better, hopefully. We've got all sorts of cool patterns. I'm just going to let it run through its cycle here for a second. I don't know if you can see on this remote, it's got a ton of different options here. It's cycling through right now. That's one of my favorites. It's got that option, give you a seizure. It's like you can change the speed, you can change the chase feature. Of course, you can just go solid colors on this. Kind of cool. Alright, let's go over the strong points of the spiral Christmas tree starting right now. Okay, strong point number one. This is indoor, outdoor, and it has a remote. Strong point number two, this was super easy setup. I was a little bit skeptical, but you literally just unfold it, you put the pole together, and boom, you're done. Strong point number three is there are 8 pre-programmed color modes along with a ton of different color options on this tree that you can select. So it just gives you lots and lots of options for the holidays, and you can't really go wrong with this thing. It's pretty legit. Alright, time to go over the drawbacks of the spiral 6-foot Christmas tree starting right now. Okay, drawback number one are probably the instructions, and as to be expected, yeah, that's all you get are diagrams basically. Alright, so ultimately you're wondering, is this tree worth your hard-earned money? It is, and it is a 6-foot tree. For those of you watching, the bottom of the tree is right here. I've got it on a little coffee table, and the reason this is worth your money, because first off, when you open the packaging, you realize, okay, this tree is actually metal. It's got a metal base, it's got a metal pole, and you can assemble this thing in under a minute. Like, you literally just pull it open like that. You put the poles together and you put it over the poles, and boom, you're done. And then you go stake it on your lawn, put it on your front porch or whatever, and that's all there is to the assembly. So super quick and easy assembly. Another huge plus is this cool remote with all your pre-programmed lights, just right there, just boom, boom, boom. You can activate it with the remote, turn it off, turn it on, change the light settings. Super easy, straightforward, and I love that. The other thing is it's an indoor-outdoor tree, and honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality. This is a good quality tree. There's a link in the description where you can find this item, and I have to give this thing 2 thumbs up. I would recommend it. Go pick one up for yourselves. Hopefully this video has been really helpful. Please be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of your own spiral Christmas tree. Also be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.